What up, what up, what up, what up? David Daz. So here we have a 2003 Yamaha V-Star. Just want to do a walkthrough as it was pretty difficult because of the fairings. There are no fairings, just the way it's laid out. Had to really hide the wires. I still gotta do my wipe down. This thing shines crazy. But if you walk through, you see there's no wires, even right here. See how you usually put lights there? Nope. None. None, none, none. You might see some on the wheels right there where the LEDs are. All right, let's get this bad boy lights off. Turn the lights off. So here we go. So there's their red right there. Check that out. Got the grips, the wheels. Even got this plate right here. Its own custom deal with the light going right there. The red behind there. I got the grips done. Even the brake pedal, check that out. It's pulsating right there. You put your foot up there. Got the wire running really nice with that. Air intake. Look at that bad boy. So, see right here. You turn it. Look at that. Look at that. What else? Then we got the white. So the white, what I did is circled around the headlight right here. Couldn't really take the headlight apart. It's a lot more into it. It's aftermarket. I didn't really want to fuck with it. Around here, it's dirty. I gotta clean it. Voltmeter, right there. Under the seats. Now here's that tank I'm talking about. See how you don't see, usually you see it, but you can't see. You really gotta look for these lights to see the lights. Leave it right there. I put it where everything I can put it without showing. So if we go, check that out. There it is. Classically clean. You can ride without that aggressive. The red's more like, Arr! But came out good. Under here too, foot pegs. You'll see some lights right here, but that's because it's the reflection off of here. But it's a 2-channel remote, so there's that red right there. He can ride all red, or he can ride all white, or nothing. David Daz 45 at Gmail. I'm feeling this. This is clean. Probably one of my cleanest jobs, only because, like I said, you had to hide it. I really had to hide these wires. And you see there's no room really to hide it. Let's see. There's no room really to hide stuff. You just really had to do some shit. Super clean. Got a brake pedal up. He's sick. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got a tab right there because I'm still waiting on some glue to dry. But I'm happy with it. What y'all think? Yeah?